Snow now.
Yeah, we got flat out squalls now, baby. This is
starting to stick on the back of the uniforms.
Accumulate here in a minute. Yeah.
Feels like we're at Lambeau.
Yeah.
So it's 1-2 pitch. In the air, up the line and right. Gibbons can't find it. I'm not sure Chuck Merriweather could either. It landed fair. Vizquel to the plate. He's asking for help right from the beginning.
And what I was talking about earlier in the ball game, Jay Gibbons lost the ball in the snow. He could not see.
Now a snow delay. Snow on May the 2nd. Snow is falling at Kauffman Stadium. The Royals have a 1-0 lead. Come a snow delay, and the snow is coming down pretty heavy now. And all this started before the Royals came up in the bottom of the 4th inning. They're out there enjoying the snow. How many major leaguers have ever seen it snow in the middle of a game? So they with.
Mark Razum and his crew out early this morning. How about dawn shoveling snow along with a number of members of the Rockies organization. They got 4+ inches removed.
Eased up considerably. It's just the white stuff on the field that's the problem. Let's see how well they do. The first man comes in the American League. Here it is, the first pitch in Blue Jay history. It's a strike for the fastball.
To Jacobs Field today is that snowballs will be flying around in 7 days instead of baseballs. The Jake is dripping with icicles, all 43,000 seats covered in snow. Beneath that blanket of white, the green grass of a baseball diamond. Despite these ominous-looking wintry pictures.
Unbelievable. How about 39? Okay, how about that? Right back. I think you were right. The general rule of thumb: if it's white stuff flying in the air, it's 32 or below. The wind chill, you know. Look at that.
1996. Hopefully we'll get this one in. The snow continues to fall.
Well, the forecast for Denver: snow. Tomorrow, snow.
To play when it's snowing.
let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Get you something good and warm to eat. Put on a heavy jacket. Watch a little baseball.
Now the pitch. Swung on, line to deep left field. It is gone! You should see